OnePlus One. Tech startup founded by Pete Lau, former Oppo executive, has finally unveiled its first smartphone, called the OnePlus One smartphone. Launched today is the most impressive smartphone, which comes with the best of the smartphone specs: a full 1080p XHD 5.5-inch screen, 2.5 GHz quad-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 801 processor coupled with an Adreno 330 GPU, 3GB RAM, 16/64 GB of internal memory, CyanogenMod 11's custom OS, 13-megapixel rear and 5-megapixel front camera, Sony Exmor sensor, dual LED and 4K video support. The phone is packed with a powerful 3100 mAh battery, NFC, LTE, GPS, Bluetooth 4.1 and built-in stereo speakers. The phone has been launched in two variants: 16GB Silk White, $299, 64GB Sandstone Black, $349. The OnePlus One smartphone shall be available Q2 2014. Onwards in the international market, the phone shall be launched in Canada, UK, USA, Europe, Taiwan and Hong Kong during its first launch. The phone shall cost USD $299 for 16GB variant and USD $349 for a 64GB variant. OnePlus One phone has a very impressive design and build, subtle and slim with clean curves. The phone's PCB boards are dyed matte black finish, and even the inner components has a OnePlus logo engraved onto it. It's a phone which is beautifully crafted for a visual treat. Company shall release first 100 OnePlus One smartphone units through the OnePlus Phone Smash Exchange from coming April 25th. Buyers can apply for the OnePlus One Smash by visiting the OnePlus One website. Buyers can apply to smash their current smartphone in exchange for a new OnePlus One smartphone, and the first 100 lucky buyers will get a brand new OnePlus One smartphone for a price of just $1. OnePlus One display: 5.5-inch 1080 by 1920 Full HD screen with JDI LTPS technology with 401 ppi pixel density. OnePlus One operating system: Android 4.4 KitKat CyanogenMod 11's. OnePlus One design: plastic body, subtle and slim, with sexy curves. OnePlus One battery: 3100 mAh, 35 hours talk time, 500 hours standby time. OnePlus One camera and video: 13 megapixels rear and 5 megapixels front, dual LED, autofocus, f2.0, video 4K and 720px at 120 fps, 6-lens IMX214 Sony Exmor sensor, front camera with 80-degree capture angle. OnePlus One processor and RAM: packing a Qualcomm copyright Snapdragon unregistered trademark 801 processor with 2.5 GHz quad-core CPUs. The OnePlus One's operational capacity and performance are enhanced by Qualcomm's heterogeneous computing approach. This chipset harnesses the robust integration of many components for incredible speed and power efficiency. Among them, the custom Bright CPU architecture for sustained peak performance, integrated 4G LTE connectivity and Adreno 330 GPU for superior graphics and gaming experience, boosting 3D interfaces, colors and textures. OnePlus One connectivity technology: dual band 802.11/BGN AC, Bluetooth 4.1, Wi-Fi, NFC 65T, GPS, LTE. Positioning: internal GPS antenna. Which one will you buy? OnePlus One versus HTC One M8 versus Samsung Galaxy S5. With the launch of OnePlus One, smartphone market has intensified in just few weeks, and with the launch of Samsung Galaxy S5 and HTC One M8, smartphone buyers have pretty good buying options. OnePlus One packs some of the most high-end features and specs, which makes it stand together with Samsung and HTC. Price is one of the most intriguing factor for OnePlus One. The phone shall cost USD $299 for 16GB variant and USD $349 for a 64GB variant. HTC One M8 is sold at a price for around $700 and Samsung Galaxy S5 for $750. Thanks for watching New Tech channel. Stay tuned and subscribe for more videos.